Alright, so here's the Aussie dollar. Today I'm going to explain another system I've been working on. So first off, it's a blank chart, nothing here, just standard open, high, low, close bars. And yeah, so first we're gonna build the setup. So let's do it. Indicators. Just gonna add fractals to the chart. See, fractals, yeah. Nothing fancy about them. We're gonna add moving average 20, and it's going to be an EMA, and I want orange, a bit fat, yes, like this. And then we're gonna add another one. Where is it there? 2050, yes. So it's another 50 EMA. And we're gonna select red for this. Excellent. This is everything that we're gonna use today. So what's the idea? The idea is this is a trend following system. I've been doing some forward testing actually on this. I've been forward testing it for a few weeks now, and while the results are quite slow since I have been testing it on H4, D1, etc., I haven't got many trades done. It does what I expected. Anyway, so what's the deal with this? So yeah, since it's a trend following system, the idea is that okay, if orange and red is like stacked like this, it means that the trend is up and we will only take trades going to the upside. Likewise here, we will only take trades going to the short side. Yes. Okay. And then, for example, here you see price is very much lower than the orange level. This is nothing we can use, not in this system anyway. It's well, if the trend is short, we want a good price, and a good price is not low. A good price is high if the trend is short, right? So for that reason, there's the rule where price has to come back to at least orange, preferably be between these or even better when we go short. So here you see this engulfing signal. For this system we're using price action to enter, right? So this engulf, we would enter short really, but it's too low. Likewise the pin is too low, formations, everything here basically is too low. Now here the pullback, the trend is apparently still intact and there's an engulfing in it. That's a valid entry. Likewise there's a pin, another kinda engulfing after. So that's a valid entry for the system. Okay, so what about stops? What about targets? What are we doing here? Okay, this, let's see now. I have a Fibonacci. I have it the colors. Set it to white. Let's see if that works. Yes. So here I have a Fibonacci tool that I have modified, where the lowest level 0, entry 100, 200, 300, 400. Let me show you how it's done. 0 is 0. Level 1 is description entry. Level 2 is description 100, 3, 200, etc. This is done so that I can see the actual risk reward potential. Okay, so if we enter with this formation, where is the stop loss set? So for this system, the stop loss is to be set by the previous fractal that exists. So if we enter here, the previous fractal is this one. Okay, so let's do that. If we enter here, stop needs to be, this is the fractal level, right? And higher up, this is the same height. You can see same height, and to this level we have one. Oh wait, there's one thing missing. There's one thing missing. We have to add this. We have to add cutoff. Let's see if that's the correct number. No, it's, let's add another 100 to that. Right, now it's correct. So we also have to have the cutoff level for the Fibonacci tool. This is so that trades are not placed where potential is not present. We want good prices. We want the trend to be in our direction, and we want the potential also to be there. Without the cutoff, I did some trials, and not using it, I got very much lower results. So that's that. Okay, so yeah, as you see, short, the engulfing, stop at previous fractal, just above it, just a few pips above this, right? And this is the low, so targets would be here somewhere, and the cutoff is here. So also, now I'm using an EA. It's my own. I won't provide it or anything like that, but it's very simple. When price has reached cutoff level, if it reaches cutoff level, that is, then my stop is moved to +1 from my entry. That is also something that I have found to give some more profits. So for this example, I would be short here or on this signal, or maybe two times. I haven't really decided that, but anyway, the idea is to be short right here, stop here, and when price, this bar closes, so it comes here, it's now +1, it's secure. This is the target. So for this particular trade, we have something like +1 point. I'm not sure. Let's go 1.2. Let's make that bigger. Let's go with 20 with white numbers. Excellent. So now we know that. Let me just add the grid. Yeah, change the color of the grid. Darker. This is darker. Yes, good. Right. So now we can I just pull this together like this so that it doesn't clutter my screen. I can just see this signal give me 1.2. Right. Okay, so anything else now? Here, okay, here's the next one. Let's zoom in to make this more simple. Another time. Right. So, trend is apparently short according to the indicators. What do we have? Here's a bar touching the orange. Here's some white. What's this? Nothing. Nothing. This is these three are another formation that part of something else that's not usually known, so I won't discuss it. And nothing here, nothing, no real price action signal apparent to me here. If I can't see it within a few seconds, it's not there. That's how I think. Let's see now. Okay, now we'll see. Right. So this Harami. Let's say I'm short here, and the stop would be over here, up there, right? Let's pull it back, and it goes to cut off. It's 0. I don't need to type it out, right? Likewise, another one. As you see, look, when this is formed, here closes. There's no new fractal. Here's the fractal, right? So, if stop is up here, or even up here, it doesn't matter. This particular entry is down there, right? So even if we enter on this, it provides little to nothing because cutoff is reached and it's flat. Now this is not decent enough. Up here, let's see what we have. See, okay. Next fractal is up here, here somewhere, right? Here's -1, so let's type that. Enter like this. Likewise, a similar. We can just copy this one. You can just copy this one here. Stop is here, right? Same as the other one. And the result is the same. Okay, minus minus, right. And we go up, and another, I think this one, yes. And now bear with me. There will be losers. This is not some kind of 100% system or some kind of joke or whatever. Please understand. Nothing's like that in trading. Okay, up here, one. Let's see. This is the correct level, right? So notice, I already know it's gonna be close, but we'll see if this one, whatever it provides, right? Same. So for this, you be the judge. Let's just, for good measure, say it doesn't provide any winnings. And similar, this pin. Yeah, let's do that. Pin, right? Stop would be the same level. So now we have minus. Okay, let's go on. As you see, the engulfing short. Now I know you say, "Oh, this is a short signal." Yes, but the lines are not aligned correctly. So let's ignore that. Okay, another one touching it. Now watch this. What happens? Price closed here, right? This fractal, at the time of creation, this fractal is not present because it takes another 2 bars for a fractal to form. So the stop has to be up here. That means, look, this is the previous level, this is the entry. The cutoff is way down here. This is an example of a no trade. Next one, you see. This rejecting candle thingy, let's measure it. It's up here. Would be up here somewhere. That's okay, and it goes to +1 as I see. Don't have to count that. Another one. A pin. Let's see. Same one. Cut off goes to +1. I don't care. Up there. Same one goes to +1. Who cares? Don't have to count it. Don't have to type it out. Let's see now. Okay, what do we have? This Harami formation is too low. Wait. Yeah, it was okay. Let's see. Entry here. I just want it on the chart, just for good measure, right? Let's see now. See, the fractal is above this. We have to measure to the next one. This is correct, right? As you see, cutoff is way too low. I don't care about that. Yes, this one have to be measured up here. As you see, oh, it's possible. Okay, we can do it in +1. Okay, no matter. Now, I was doing this a few days ago and I mapped out 90 trades, 90. And I think I got a return of like +30 or something. So that means if I risk one and get one back, or several, I got 30 back from 90 trades. And now so far I haven't done like 10 even. Let's continue. Up. This is no trade. Next one, this. Here is a +1, this. So notice there are a lot of +1s. No matter though. Nothing like nothing. More. You see this fractal? As this closes, this fractal is present. But that doesn't, I mean, alright, it will, yeah, no, you're right. It has to be there. Anyway, yeah, so now it goes up. This is nothing. Let's see. This is too high. This doesn't even touch it. Doesn't even begin to touch it. Okay, this this formation, white bar and black closer to the half of it, is just past half, just a little bit. Otherwise it would validate the move power up, but I feel that this particular one is not strong enough. It should be this bar should be a bit lower, but you see it continues up anyway. Never mind that. So let's see, we get power up, fractal is here, cut off, comes to cut off and hits like a target 0.8 or whatever. Let's go. Alright, let's see. And this one, stop is here, cutoff is there, possible. This is the target, so something like 1.5. Okay, I'm not entirely sure how much time we have left. Yeah, alright. So I already know without measuring this engulfing bar to this that it's not enough because it's just right there. Look at this. You have to go here. It's not possible. So, and there we go. Nothing, and doesn't touch. There's something, right? Spinning top does not mean power up. It's not an entry. Engulfing, yes. Cutoff is there, cutoff is flat. Right. No power. This validates the power. Previous fractal is there. Cutoff is there. Cutoff reached. Right. 0, 0, 0. Trend is still up. By the way, this is not something I specifically chose. This pair was on top on my list. I didn't really choose it. I just picked one. Okay, let's continue. Now, so this reinforces. Where's the fractal? This one. Okay, so this somewhere here maybe. So this is very close, but whatever. Target is up here too. Reaches cut off and reaches, so 2.1. Right, and then another one pretty similar. Stop would be at the same place because that's the latest fractal. Reaches cut off and it's, let's say it's +2 as well. And it goes on and on like this. And to summarize, let's see what we have done. Quite a few trades. Since this is on a daily chart, it's possible for anybody really to do this. All you have to do is be at the chart while one bar is completing. For me, it's 11 o'clock at night. And you see 1.2, -4, and 2.1, 2.2. So these four, this is plus 0.1, plus 0.9, plus 2.1, plus and plus that 3.6 and 4.4. So all in all these trades 4.4 are, and I'm not sure how many they are, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and try it out for yourself if you think you can do it, and drop me a line if you like it. That's it. Thanks.